Welcome to the BlueSphere MDM tutorial video. This video will show you how to manage apps and files on MDM platform. First, navigation to provisioning app and file. On the app and file page, you can upload, delete or download APK and files, and you can also restrict app installation through whitelist policies. For a single app uploaded to the platform, if there are multiple versions, the latest app version will be displayed by default. You can click the triangle icon after the app name to expand the app history version. You could click the operation button to download or delete the app from the MDM platform. If you want to upload apps or files, please click the upload button in application or file page. You could also send file to devices. In file page, please click the operation button, choose send to device. Select the devices or device group. Then you need to confirm the path on devices. Click confirm to send the file. You could check the sending progress in the task center. The whitelist include applications that are allowed to be installed on the target device. By setting a whitelist when creating or editing a configuration template, you can enforce a whitelist policy on the target devices associated with the template. After implementing a whitelist policy, you can restrict the installation or usage of applications. Next, we will show you how to create an app whitelist. First, click the Create button, fill in a whitelist name, and select the whitelist type. Uninstall non-whitelist apps will edit the current whitelist associated with the application and only allow users to install whitelist applications, and non-whitelist applications on the device will be automatically uninstalled. Lock non-whitelist apps will let the device use applications outside the whitelist. But you need to set up an application unlock password. You need to enter the password when opening non-whitelist applications. Next, you need to select the target application from the application list and add it to the current whitelist. Last, review the configuration and click Confirm to complete the creation. Thanks for watching. Hope this video could help.